Cash App recently introduced a new feature for its users, the High Yield Savings Account. This upgrade allows Cash App users to grow their savings with a competitive interest rate, making it a convenient and accessible alternative to traditional savings accounts. Key features: high yield interest. The saving account offers an interest rate that's higher than the average savings account, helping users earn more on their deposits. As of now, this rate may vary, but it's significantly better than typical bank rates. Easy access. Unlike many high-yield accounts, Cash App allows you to easily manage and access your savings. You can deposit and withdraw funds at any time, making it a flexible choice for users who want a balance of convenience and growth. No fees. The account has no hidden fees, unlike some traditional savings accounts or other online banks that charge for account maintenance or minimum balances. Seamless integration. Since it's integrated within the Cash App, users can easily transfer funds between their savings, checking, and investment accounts without needing to switch apps. To set up a high-yield savings account on Cash App, open the app, tap on the Banking tab, select Savings and follow the instructions to begin saving.